Hey New Build Show, I'm Tim, and today I get to show you around this 4-bed detached property in the picturesque Lincolnshire, valued at £900,000, but it could be yours for just £1.99. So we're going to start on the outside of the property where you can see you've got a beautiful large driveway with ample parking. You've also got an attached double garage here as well. I do love the kind of combination of the Lincolnshire stone and that heritage brick gives the aesthetics of a beautiful home. As you can see, we are decked out for Christmas because this is 7 Days Performance biggest prize to date. A £900,000 house, fully furnished, or you could take the cash of £700,000. And all of that could be yours for as little as £1.99. Imagine that. This could be your biggest Christmas present this year. So welcome inside. Now, the first thing that really stands out to me is the abundance of natural light that bathes this entrance space to the property. And that is thanks to this beautiful triple window you've got above the main front door. Now, before we actually go into the main living space, there's a couple of extra rooms downstairs on the ground floor. Now, round to the left-hand side, you've got the downstairs WC, but also a little cozy snug, which is perfect for a kids' entertainment room. Now, I say that because there's another room just to the right-hand side of the front door, which is a gorgeous adults only snug, but I'm going to come to show you those a little bit later on. The first thing I really want to focus on is the main living space, that open plan space that we've got. And leading us in there is this beautiful light grey herringbone flooring, which adds a real beautiful kind of continuity and flow to the property, which for me just allows us to feel like we're in that welcoming environment. Nothing is more inviting than a beautifully laid dining table, and you've got perfect space in here. Now, personally, I would actually say that you could probably have a slightly larger dining table in here. If you actually wanted to have 8 to 10 people, you've got that space here. But if this is mainly just going to be your family, I think this is absolutely perfect. Plus, you've got access to outside through the first of 3 sets of patio doors that you've got in this open plan living space. But it naturally molds and blends itself into this gorgeous kitchen. Now, the kitchen comes from the German company Lecht. Now, they are known for their architecture, contemporary styling, and balancing of functionality. And I've got to show you this first of all. Functionality, look at this. No ugly sockets on the worktop, but at the push of a button, you've got instant power. So if the kids need to charge the laptops or your phone's dying before you head out, the power is right there for you. And also, look at the size of this island. It's absolutely enormous. So plenty of space for preparation if you are making big meals or even having a dinner party. Integrated Siemens appliances throughout the entire kitchen. And I love the fact that the cooker top actually has that extractor inside it, so you haven't got anything restricting you above, which is just beautiful. I love the kind of contrast between the dark wood finish panels, and I love that kind of slightly muted teal sage color that we've got inside. Now, I did mention about that abundance of natural light, so the actual light fittings in the property needed to be quite well thought out, and you can see right round the bottom here you've got these beautiful LED lights that finish off and accent different parts of this wonderful living space. And have you seen this? An additional table tucked onto the front of the kitchen island, which to me really starts to feel a bit like a chef's table in a fancy Michelin restaurant, something like that, where you feel part of the environment. So imagine having a dinner party or even just cooking the dinner for the kids, but still being able to interact with them. And then you've also got additional space to the side. So in the kitchen, workspace is obviously going to be a really important part, but you could be washing the dishes and still enjoying that beautiful riverside view, which I'm going to show you in a little moment. But before we do that, have a look here, because you've got a utility room space, which is really functional. So if you have got muddy Wellington boots or something like that coming in from the walk, or kids football boots or anything, this is a prime space. So in this space, you've also got room for your appliances in here as well, your washing machine, your tumble dryer, and direct access to the attached garage as well. Plus one more door leading to the outside. So if anyone is coming with muddy boots, they haven't got to walk through the lounge or anything to get to that utility space. And speaking of the lounge, come and have a look at this, because what a beautiful space. And have you seen the light that comes in from above? This is what I'm talking about. Natural light, that homely feel. We want to feel like the family can really interconnect through all different parts of the house, and this really lends itself to that. Now, the entire house does come fully furnished for you as well. So everything you see, obviously except the Christmas trees, you can't be having them. Now, that is going to come included in the prize draw as well. So this could all be yours for £1.99. How fantastic. Just imagine sitting down, chilling out here, watching the game, a movie, friends coming round. I mean, this is a fantastic space. I absolutely love it. But there's still so much more to see, including the outside of the property. So just stepping outside from that beautiful living space, and you can see that you've got this wonderful wraparound sandstone patio that you've got that really does finish off the exterior of the property. And then look at this. Just as you step outside, literally restriction free, you've got the River Beck right there on the edge of your garden. And it's such an amazingly tranquil, peaceful, retreat-esque feel that you've got to this property. I can fully imagine sitting out here on a summer's evening, just listening to that trickling clear water running by your house, friends coming round. I mean, who else can say that they've got a river running right by their back garden? And what a back garden it actually is that you've got. A wonderfully manicured lawn, you've got really established trees back bordering the property, and a beautiful privacy because of that fantastic fence line. But that's not it, because if you keep moving round, you've got an even bigger patio space on the other side of that living space, which you've got another set of patio doors that you can access directly. So for me, this is crying out barbecue season. This is crying out maybe even for a little bit of a hot tub, but definitely for summertime parties. And I love the fact that you've got this integrated flower bed inside the patio as well. It really kind of draws in that wonderful relationship between being outside in nature, but then not having to worry too much about a heavy maintenance garden. I think they've got this absolutely perfect. Something else that I mentioned out the front of the house, which you can see throughout the back here as well, is that kind of contrast between that Lincolnshire stone and then that heritage brick line. And ooh, red arrows giving me a little bit of a flyby, maybe special treat for you as well. But I love that combination, that styling that you have, allowing us to have that kind of contemporary meets classic country all married together, but done in such a kind of graceful way. Right, so we're finished outside, but there's loads more to see on the ground floor, so let's head back in. So now we're back inside, and there's a couple more rooms that I spoke about at the beginning that I want to show you. So we're going to kind of come in and effectively turn left from the front door. And the first room that you've got just in front of you is actually the downstairs WC. So as you can see, you've got beautifully soft lighting and that lovely dark slatted wood paneling, which is a theme throughout the house and really ties it beautifully together. What I really like is these black accented handles and finishings throughout the property that really kind of tie the color scheme together. Now, the next room that we're going to see is what I think should be the kids' entertainment room. Now, this space for me is perfect because you could quite happily set the kids up in here. They've got their own little space. It's far enough away from you that you don't have to worry about hearing them. But it could also likewise be turned into an office space if you wanted to, right near the front of the property. It's nice, it's beautiful, it's cozy, it's got everything that we need, power sockets around. So it's a really nice functional room that you could kind of turn into whatever you want. There is one more room that I want to show you in the downstairs of the house, and it's this one, quite possibly the coziest space in this property. You have got this beautiful integrated log burning stove here. Imagine coming down here Christmas Eve, you're laying out your bits for Santa, getting it ready, they're saying goodnight to the kids before they go away, and then the adults take over the room and you can sit down, have a glass of wine, put a little bit of music on, have a good chat about the day. And also, look outside. Imagine being in here, maybe let's fast forward to the summertime and you've got the sun shining through and the views out into your back garden while you sit out and you can see the kids playing or something like that. This room is perfect for that entertaining space. And I do feel like they've really accented the colours beautifully. Having the walls match into the doors, I think the flow of this room is very, very comforting, very, very relaxing. I really think it's something special. This is that kind of cozy room, but don't forget you do have the open plan living space where, let's be honest, you're going to watch most of your TV, you're going to be in there day to day, but maybe those times when you want to escape from TV and you want to maybe come in here with the kids to do a bit of reading or something like that, or you just want to have that quiet, peaceful time to yourself, that's where this room's really going to come in. So we've had a great look downstairs, so let's go and see what we've got in store upstairs. So now that we're upstairs, the first thing that I've got to point out is just this little bit of well, it's not little, it's enormous bit of extra storage that you've actually got right at the top of the stairs. So fantastic if you've got travel suitcases, I don't know, loads of extra coats, things like that. Maybe it's extra pairs of shoes and things. This is a great storage space to get all of that kind of stuff, or even maybe your Christmas decorations out the way if you didn't want to put them into the garage. But we do have 4 bedrooms upstairs. Now, before we get onto the main 2 bedrooms, I want to just talk about this. You cannot refer to this as a landing, because this is not. This is kind of like a high-end bridge between the 2 sides of the house. You've got a gorgeous pendant light fixture which just hangs down over that staircase, making a real kind of almost statement of this balcony that you've got crossing to where the kids, I potentially would say, are going to have their bedrooms. So a fantastic amount of light, and this is that triple window that I was talking about from downstairs that really allows all of that natural light to bathe in around this open space in the middle of the house. The glass balustrades, that lends itself as well to allowing that flow of light, and beautiful colour palette throughout the house with all those soft tones really tying in to create that relaxing high-end finish, that environment that we want, just like if we were at a posh hotel. So as I mentioned, we've got 4 bedrooms upstairs, so let's take a look at the first one. Now this bedroom is beautifully accented, you can see here, with these kind of ocean palette colours. Ideal, I think, for a kid's bedroom overlooking the front of the property, and a really generous size with that double bed, but ample space for extra storage or even a desk, something like that. But let's go and have a look. Bedroom number 2. This one's been kind of decorated with those blush tones. I think this probably lends itself to a teenager, something like that, because you do have the wonderful view out to the back garden and the river, which I think they might appreciate that little bit more. Again, a really generous size and space that you've got in here, so ample space for storage or even maybe a little vanity or something if it is an older teenager. Plus, it's directly opposite the family bathroom, which is where we're going to go next. Now, I did say that this was a family bathroom, but as those 2 previous bedrooms are next door to each other, I think of this more like their ensuite bathroom. And it is an ensuite bathroom because you've got this beautifully large bath with these marble effect tiles in the back. To have this as your own bathroom that you're sharing with your sibling is a fantastic thing. Really nice, big and spacious, light and airy in here. Plus, you've got another side to this bathroom, which is the shower. Now, the shower is a really good sizable walk-in shower that you've got, has exactly the same marble tile effects going around floor to ceiling, and has an inbuilt shelf for all of your toiletries and needs. And do you remember when I said about that wood paneling that ties in around the home? You can see that again here. And just that change, that pop of colour, I think really sets this bathroom off. And can I just draw your attention? How stylish is this towel rail? I love that. Got to get that in mind. But let's go and check out bedroom number 3. Heading back to the other side of the house now, you've got these beautiful cut-in LED lights, which basically shadow the actual banister rails that you've got here. So they're kind of illuminating you along as you do move through to the other bedrooms. Now this room for me is the perfect guest bedroom because you've got a really generous space. So if you have got family staying or friends staying over, there's plenty of space for them to put their cases and things like that. I love these olive tones that you've got tied into the bedroom here. Really beautiful, and it does have its own ensuite bathroom, so that makes them really feel at home and that nice level of comfort. And this one also has the same marble effect tiles and that wooded slatted paneling behind the sink too. But let's now go and check out the main master primary suite. So directly at the top of the stairs, you turn right and then you come into this, the primary master suite. And the first thing that really comes to my attention is those beautiful 3-meter high ceilings that you've got. But an exquisite room, beautiful colors leave it in a really relaxed, comfortable feel. Much like if you were in those high-end hotels or spas that you wanted to stay at, you've got a real tranquil environment. Plus the beautiful view of the river and the back gardens, and you've got windows to every single side, so an abundance of natural light, a beautiful space to wake up in every morning, plus an ensuite bathroom and mini walk-in wardrobe. So leading off from your bedroom suite, you've actually got this beautiful bath, which kind of feels like it's part of the bedroom, yet not part. So you have that distinction between the two. The changing from carpet back to that herringbone flooring as well, I really, really like. But I love the fact that the bath has that spectacular view. So when you are soaking in here after a long, hard day at work, or the kids have been driving you mad, you can really, truly relax. Opposite the bath, that's where you've got your mini walk-in wardrobe with ample storage for both of you. As you open every single one, you've got lined drawers in here. Then if I open and go into the midsection, I've got hanging rail space. So this could be suits for you. It could be dresses on this side. You could have one that's just for shoes. You could have one that's for accessories. I mean, you have got storage upon storage in here and mirrors either side. So you can both check out your outfits at the same time. So there's no fighting over the mirror. But there's still one more thing to show you, and that is the rest of the ensuite. So the first thing is that you've actually got twin sinks in here as well, which I love because it just makes everyday process much, much simpler. No fighting over the sinks, you can both get ready. Mirrors on either side with great storage in there as well. That paneling effect, you see, I told you it ties throughout the property. So you've got a beautiful double walk-in shower, waterfall head and additional shower head, space for all of your toiletries in here. I mean, they really have gone to town in the bathroom setup here in this master suite. So if you were both getting ready for a night out, you've got ample space for that. But you've also got a wonderfully relaxed, cozy environment every single day when you come back. And that is what we really, really want from our homes. Well, that's it. You've seen the whole house. Now, the only thing left to do is follow the link below to purchase your tickets. Now, don't forget that this draw will happen on Christmas Day at 9 p.m. So you could still have one more Christmas present left to come. And the best thing, you can purchase as many tickets as you want. They're only £1.99, so make sure you enter to win this amazing house. I'll see you next time.
Hello New Build Show, I'm Millie and today we are in Darlington in the north of England and we're going to be exploring Home by Escher's brand new show home here at Havelock Park.